I've got something new to write about tonight. I think she's right. I paid my dues and waited my turn, and the rest of my life starts today. Put in the work and now I can finally say that everything's gonna be okay. Damn, it feels good to say that everything is gonna be okay. Yeah, yeah. Welcome to the good life, but don't forget, don't ever get complacent. Remember what got you here and keep at it. Oh, the sky is the limit, 'cause you paid your dues and waited your turn, and the rest of your life starts today. Put in the work and now you can finally say that everything is gonna be okay. Don't it feel good to say that everything is gonna be okay? Baby, I'm a man of my word. I told you I'd come back prepared to give you the world. Oh, I always thought that we belonged together, but I surrender. I surrender. 'Cause I paid my dues and waited my turn, and the rest of my life starts today. Put in the work and now I can finally say that everything is gonna be okay. Son, you'll remember this day for the rest of your life. The thing think he's right. Mom said now you've got something new to write about tonight. I think she's right. I paid my dues and waited my turn, and the rest of my life starts today. Put in the work and now I can finally say that everything is gonna be okay. Damn, it feels good to say that everything is gonna be okay. Yeah, yeah. Welcome to the good life, but don't forget, don't ever get complacent. Remember what got you here and keep at it. Oh, the sky is the limit, 'cause you paid your dues and waited your turn,